You will never need those expensive nail treatments again after discovering this ancient Chinese secret. People spend fortunes trying to fix this problem. But what actually works is far simpler than anyone expects. Don't skip ahead because one detail at the end makes all the difference. Let's begin slowly. Take a small container and place it right in front of you. Now grab your first ingredient, Vicks Vapor Rub, and add 1 full tablespoon into the bowl. Spread it slightly so it covers the bottom evenly. This will act as the base of everything we're creating. So take a second to make sure it's well distributed. Next, bring in the second ingredient. Add 3 tablespoons of baking soda directly into the same container. Don't rush this part. Let each spoonful settle naturally. As it lands on top of the Vapor Rub, you'll notice the texture starting to change, becoming slightly thicker and more structured. Now comes the third step. Carefully pour in 3 tablespoons of nail polish remover. As soon as it touches the mixture, pay close attention. You'll notice a subtle reaction beginning to form. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. Now take a spoon and begin mixing everything together. Start slowly, folding the ingredients into each other then. Gradually increase your movement. Keep mixing until the texture becomes smooth and creamy without any lumps. The consistency should feel balanced, not too thick, not too runny, almost like a soft paste. At this point, the mixture is ready. Now bring your hands or feet closer and take a look at the surface you're about to treat. If it looks uneven, dull, or not as clean as you'd like, pay attention. To this next step, comment yes. If you're going to try this at home, take a small toothbrush and dip it into the mixture. Don't overload it, just enough to coat the bristles. Now gently spread the mixture across the surface, making sure to reach every corner and edge. Move slowly and evenly so the layer stays consistent. Once applied, let it sit undisturbed for about 20 minutes. This waiting time is where everything begins to interact quietly beneath the surface. You may not see dramatic changes immediately, but something is happening during this period. After the time has passed, rinse thoroughly with running water. As the mixture washes away, take a closer look. The surface feels different, looks cleaner, and appears more refreshed than before. And now, the part that brings everything together. This combination works because each ingredient plays a specific role. The Vapor Rub creates a cooling and soothing base. The baking soda adds a cleansing and balancing effect. And the nail polish remover helps break down what sits on the surface. When combined in this exact way, they create a reaction that reaches deeper than expected. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. Try it once, then repeat it and observe the difference. If you found this useful, share it with someone who needs it.